This is another important question that you will get in lines and planes. And the question is given as we have to find the image of the point 163 in the line x by 1, y minus 1 by 2 and z minus 7 by 3. And we have to find the length of perpendicular. So there's a line. This line is given as x by 1, y minus 1 by 2, z minus 7 by 3. There's a point that is given as 163. Now we have to find the image of this point, and this line is perpendicular to the line that is given. Now we can find the intersection point with the help of perpendicular. And how we'll find the perpendicular? You can see my previous video on the basis of this concept. Now we will use the same concept and I will show you how to find this perpendicular, but for the reference you can watch also that video. Once you will find this one, use the section formula and then you can find the value of this one. Once you will find this one, you can use the distance formula. You can find the distance in between these 2 points. So what's the steps? Firstly, find the point which is perpendicular. Secondly, you will use the section formula, and third, you will use the concept of distance formula. And how will you use that? Let's find this out. So there's a line that is given as this one, whose equation is given as x by 1 that is equal to y minus 1 by 2 that is equal to z minus 7 by 3. If I want to find the point, I will write it as lambda and then 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda plus of 7. This is the point that you will find for the perpendicular one. This is the point that you will find. Now there's a point that is given as 163. With these 2 points you can find the direction ratio of this line, and that is equal to lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus of 5 and 3 lambda plus of 4. You can find the direction ratio of this line and the direction ratio of the second line that is given as 1, 2, 3. With these two you can find the cos theta, and cos theta here that is equal to cos 90, which is equal to 0. So you will write it as lambda minus of 1 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus of 5 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus of 4, which is equal to 0. So here you will write lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus of 10 plus 9 lambda plus of 12, which is equal to 0. Lambda plus 4 lambda that is equal to 5 lambda. 5 lambda plus 9 lambda that is equal to 14 lambda. And minus 1 minus 10 that is equal to minus of 11. Minus of 11 plus of 12, you will write it as 1, that is equal to 0. So you can find the value of lambda that is equal to minus of 1 by 40. Once you will find the value of lambda, you can put it here and you will get the value as minus of 1 by 14 minus of 1, comma 2 into minus of 1 by 14 minus of 5, comma 3 into minus of 1 by 14 plus of 4. And you will write it as minus of 15 by 14, comma you will get 70 minus 2, you will get the value as minus of 72 divided by 14, and then you will get 14 for the is 56 minus 3 that is equal to 53 by 40. You will get it like this. Once you will get the point, use the section formula and then you can find the image of this point. Once you will find the image of this point, use the distance formula, you can find the length of the perpendicular. If I want to find the length of perpendicular, what we have to do, we have to divide the value.